Before we get started, make sure that the sauna is unplugged from the wall outlet. Remove the metal screen from the speaker with a flathead screwdriver by gently prying the edge down between the metal screen and the plastic ring, not from the plastic ring and the roof of the sauna. With the metal screen removed, unscrew the 4 screws from the sauna roof with a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure to hold and place the speaker with your other hand to keep it from falling. With the last screw removed, lower the speaker until you see the 2 tab connectors and their wires. Pull up on both of these tab connectors to remove them. Install the new speaker, connecting the tab connector with the red wire on the right, and connecting the tab connector with a black wire on the left. Place the new speaker against the sauna roof, and screw in each screw to install it. Finally, attach the screen back onto the speaker. Test the speaker by playing sound to make sure it is working properly.